Welcome back to your Caribou Data Science channel, America. That's right, this is your Caribou Data Science channel. The Caribou Data Science channel is giving you all the data you need to understand the world around you today. Okay. Before we get started, a big shout out to, what do we have here? To the 4 people who viewed this video yesterday. Thanks so much. Now I have a favor to ask you folks. Click on that share button. Share this video on Facebook and Twitter today. You can also, of course, click on the share button and share the link to this video in an email or text message today. You can share that with your friends, your family, okay? Thanks so much. Let's get on with the show. I'll just remind you that I'm doing something a little different with the U.S. numbers anymore. I'm only analyzing the previous 12 months of data, okay? Which means we're only going back as far as July the 1st, 2020. And you can see that right here, right? So you can see currently for the previous 12 months, we had 31.2 million cases, 480,144 deaths. A declining mortality rate could mean the ratio between cases and deaths is decreasing, which could be good. And of course, what you can see here, we are seeing a slight increase in daily cases. For July, the last date for July 13th, we reported 25,919 cases. Come down, look at the 7-day moving average. For the 7-day moving average ending July 6th, we were averaging 269 cases. What about deaths? Well, you can see that would appear. This is a step plot. I'm not quite sure how to interpret it, so let's come down here. Okay, this line is continuing down. So on July the 13th, there were 372 COVID-19 deaths reported in the U.S. For the 7-day period ending July the 6th, you were averaging 236 deaths per day. Okay? This little bump up here, well, you can see there is a slight increase here in weekly cases. Hopefully, this week is going to begin a new downward trend. But the good news is the continuing downward trend in deaths. Well, look at cases. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So June's cases was the lowest number of monthly cases since July of last year. Deaths, look at deaths. 1, 2, 3, 4. A 5-month decline in deaths. And again, June's deaths was the lowest monthly total since at least July of 2020. What's this we're looking at here? This is the number of cases per 100,000 people in the U.S. This is 25. This is 12.5. So I'm going to say on average about 10 people out of 100,000 currently have the COVID-19 virus in the U.S. You can see here that this line here says that for every 100,000 people, 1/2 of a person has died from COVID-19. This is 1/4 of a person. So currently, out of 100,000 people, only 1/4 of a person is dying. What's these numbers up here? Cumulative cases. The importance of cumulative cases is we're looking for a flattening of the curve. Okay, and it does appear to be flattening a little. Cases do appear to be flattening a little bit, and they appear to be flattening a little bit on deaths also. We have to keep an eye on those numbers, but we don't want to place too much emphasis on the cumulative numbers. Okay, according to Washington University Institute for Health Metrics and Evaluation, the single best measure of spread of a pandemic is daily deaths. Okay. So anyway, America, that concludes your report for today. Hey, don't forget to click that share button. Share this link this video on Facebook and Twitter. And also you can click on that share button, copy and paste a link to this video into an email or text message, and share the news with your friends and family that way. Thanks so much, America. We'll catch you tomorrow with an updated report.